Grandma Funnybones here. I'm at the Terre Haute Casino. It's new, it's nice, it's non-smoking. You should come. I'm betting 5-cent denom, $3.75 bet, and I got 6 free games. Let's see what we can get here. They have sticky reels on this one, so the firecrackers will stick. Those are wild. That's pretty good. Come on. Come on. Fireballs. Oh, wild again. There we go. Good wilds. 3 more games. It's been a crazy night here. It's crowded though. A lot of people. Come on. Come on. Oh, wait. Oh, we missed the fireballs. Oh my gosh, with the train. Oh, that's terrible. Oh my goodness gracious. All right, thanks for watching.